Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15S. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15S isn't holding a charge, you might be experiencing a common issue with laptop batteries. Over time, batteries can degrade and lose their ability to hold a charge due to wear and tear or simply age. If this issue isn't addressed promptly, it can lead to further complications, potentially affecting your device's performance or leading to complete battery failure. For this repair, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement battery specifically for the HP 15S. First, ensure your device is turned off and unplugged from any power source. Begin by gently prying open the case using the plastic spudger, taking care to work around the edges to avoid damaging the casing. Once the case is open, locate the battery, which is typically situated towards the bottom of the laptop. You will notice several screws securing the battery in place, which will require your Phillips screwdriver. Carefully remove these screws and set them aside in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. Be cautious here, as applying too much force can damage the connectors or the motherboard itself. Now, take hold of the old battery and lift it out of the compartment. Place the new battery in the same position, ensuring that it aligns properly with the connectors. Reconnect the battery cable, making sure it's firmly in place. Replace the screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight, as this could damage the battery or the device. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the battery is replaced, gently press the casing back together until you hear it click into place. Finally, plug in your device and power it on to ensure it starts up correctly and the battery is holding a charge. To help prevent this issue in the future, avoid leaving your laptop plugged in at all times and regularly let the battery discharge to around 20% before recharging. Additionally, consider using your laptop on a flat, ventilated surface to avoid overheating. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.